Alrighty then. Take one, camshaft installation. This is a 3/4 RV half race cam.
Half race.
We went full race, but just couldn't handle it.
I didn't think the bottom end would hold up.
Alright. So we only went 3/4 RV, so wouldn't have too much torque. It's a nice situation. We'll just take a look at the specs. This is we went all out. Went with the Summit cam, which has $103 with lifters. That's why.
1.62.
It'll be fine. For as long as it's the way the rest of the motor looks, the cam will probably outlast it. Alright, well, my phone's ringing. Can't imagine who that would be. And luckily it's somebody I don't know. So, well, I think I actually do know who it is. Maybe I'll answer it. Let's see here, sir. What would you like?
I don't think it'll come. It's too fucked up on the end.
Oh. I was looking for some excitement, sir.
Yeah.
See,
It's coming.
A little twisty.
Oh, fuck, that hurt. Excuse my language. But it really did hurt. My wife is here, she'd laugh.
Right. I almost did. Brand new engine. You can tell from the orange paint and the intake runners that it's new. Let's just take a little look-see. Yeah, that looks like the ones that were in Angel's car that one time.
That's worse.
I need to send the guy a picture of this.
Just fucking, you should mail that whole thing to him.
I should.
There you go. Thanks for the new engine.
Oh, that thing's crazy.
Yeah, that's way worse than Angel's. Hers just had a little dish in it, or that is fucking gone.
Brand new. Brand new, brand new. That's been going bad for a while. Brand new paint on the intake surfaces. And also, the interesting part is it's leaking water. The water comes out of this exhaust bolt, like a lot when you're draining the water. Like most of it was draining out of here. I'm gonna pull ahead and see what.
Okay.
Anyway, yeah, custom this.
Could just wait though.
Yeah, I'm not in any. I don't really care. I'm just curious. We'll do it eventually. When we rebuild it to put in your truck.
Put mine in your Ford.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep the flathead in the Ford. We're just gonna have to rebuild it ourselves somehow. So, hope you buy some machining equipment. Anyway, that's all for today's episode on this old engine. I mean, this new engine. Sorry.